Hello, welcome back. Today you have asked and I have listened. We're talking about passive voice. There are two types of voices here today. Active voice is when you do something. I do the work. Active voice, okay? Passive voice is when the work is done. So can you see that the work is not doing anything? The work is done by you. You are the person doing. Do you get this? Okay, let's not go too much into grammar. Let's just keep it more real life, okay? The first example is with the verb to do, because it's such a good one to know for passive voice. So, I need to do the laundry today. I need to do the laundry today. I need to wash my clothes. I need to do the laundry today. At 2 p.m, I come back here and I say to you, guess what? The laundry is done. Yes, the laundry is done. Finished. You see, I need to do, the laundry is done. Right, I take photos of my kids all the time. So now we're talking about the verb to take, okay? I take photos of my kids all the time. This photo here, let me show it to you. This photo here, this photo was taken when my son was 5 months old. I take photos all the time. The photo was taken when he was 5 months old because the photo is not doing anything. It's just there. It's not active. The photo is not active. I ate some of my husband's birthday cake. Now we're talking about the verb to eat, okay? I ate some of my husband's birthday cake. And then later I went there, I opened the fridge and realized the cake was eaten by somebody else. I ate the cake, that's one thing. The cake was eaten. You see how it works? It's easier for you to understand it when you stop trying to translate everything. When you stop thinking about so much grammar. I didn't learn this with grammar, so I can't believe how you guys do it. It must be hard. I speak English, okay? I do. And I want you to speak English. Do you know why? I want you to speak English because English is spoken throughout the world. English is spoken. So I want you to speak English. To speak then becomes spoken. So there is always this transformation with the verb when you talk about the passive voice. So do becomes done. Take becomes taken. Speak becomes spoken. Eat becomes eaten, and so on. You know, so this takes a little bit of time for you to get your head around, because maybe you're going to have to learn some of those tenses. And that's okay. You're going to learn some of them and you're going to nail it and you're going to be fine. But it's important that you know that the passive voice is when it's not doing anything. That's why it's called passive. Yeah, believe it or not, it's not doing anything there. That's why I say to you, there is active learning when you speak English or when you write something in English, and there is passive learning, which is just when you are listening, for example. It's passive, you're not doing anything, you're just listening, okay? So active is one thing, passive is something else, and when you understand the word, maybe it's going to be easier for you to understand what this verbal tense actually means and what it does. So let me know in the comments below if this made sense to you. If you want more videos about the passive voice, because there's so much we can say about this. And happy learning, everybody. Stay focused. I'll see you next time. Bye.